Alright, this video is going to show you how to charter your club so your club has insurance, as well as sanction your event when you run an event. So here at our home website, we're going to go to www.usawmembership.com, and that'll take you to the membership site. If you've never been here before, you'll need to create a free account. If you've already created an account, you will enter your email address and your password. If you get stuck here, just let me know and we can definitely help you out. Then you're going to log in. Once you're logged in, this is what it will look like. You'll have show profiles and memberships. We're going to go to manage and then clubs. And then once you're here, if you've already chartered your club before under your profile, it'll show up here. So for example, Westlake Wrestling Club, I've already chartered it so we can manage it. Or here it shows the Junior Wildcat Wrestling Association, so I could renew it right now. If it doesn't show up here, you'll need to go to charter club and put in the information and chart it that way. But like I said, if you've already charted it before and it shows up here, you can just click the renew now and follow the prompts, and that should be good, and then you'll make your payment and be done. To sanction an event, last thing on chartering your club, the one thing you do need to know is on renew now, under here it's going to ask you for a club director. So the club director that you put here, they have to have a wrestling leader membership with USA Wrestling. So a wrestling leader membership is your coach's card, so that's a new thing this year. The coach's card and the official's card is now made into one. It's called the wrestling leader. Same price, it just makes it so you don't have to buy two cards if you're buying an official's and a coach's. But that person, the club director, will need to have that card. So make sure whoever you put as your club director, whoever is your club director, does have the wrestling leader membership. So to do an event, it's the same thing, manage an event, and then you'll just hit sanction an event. Again, same thing applies. You just put in the information here, and then you continue, etc. So anyway, those are the two things: sanction a club, charter an event. Anyways, if you have questions, feel free to give me a call, email at jeffreynewbie@wrestleutah.com.